me. It could have been though. You know what? That's totally fair. Is that your Monday, your weekend, or both? Because wishing I had cooler weather, but hopefully it'll come soon. It definitely will. Yeah, what's the weather around here today? I don't even know. Yesterday was like 23, I think. Today is 19 right now, with a high of 23. This week seems pretty consistent. It's going to be like 19 to 23 depending on the day. Ooh, Saturday is going to be kind of cold. Low of 8, high of 18. Hopefully the low of 8 is like in the middle of the night or something. It's your Monday? Yeah. Mondays do that. I feel like Mondays are professionals at just making you feel exactly like that emote. Born to be a weather lady. You have to go get your car? Personally, how dare you? You come in a morning stream, but it's not even for the whole thing. Like, yeah, go get your car. I hope everything's good. Maybe we'll see you later, actually. Pretty cool weather over here. Getting cold feet despite wool socks, but tea is in season. Ooh, tea is always good. You have to double up on the socks. I hope you have a mediocre one. Oh no. And house shoes, my goodness. I guess my main question is, do you sit in your chair like a normal human? Or do you crisscross your legs? Because that's what I do, and I always get my feet warm like that. I put them like behind my knees when I crisscross my legs. I'm doing it right now. That's fair. How do you unfold yourself? I just lift my leg up and put it back on the ground. I rarely sit with 2 feet on the ground because it feels more uncomfortable for me. So I always sit in odd positions like this one. But they do keep my feet warm. I will say my legs fall asleep a lot because of how I sit, which is why I have to switch it up so often. No, both are up, but just once the one leg is out of there, the other one's not really folded in anymore, so it's easy to just put it down again. You could do one leg at a time, though. Like, have one leg up and have it under your leg that's on the ground. Crisscross thing certainly has some merit to it. The other thing I have, for when it gets really cold in here, because this room isn't great for insulation, is a space heater. But I tend to not turn it on unless I really need it.